What up, YouTube? We back at it, man. We up in the garage. We up early, about to get to it, man. I'm feeling good and excited. I cannot wait. I'm telling y'all, we're about to deliver this bike to the winner, our 2015 that's headed to Sacramento. That thing is about to be on the way. I'm trying to literally go out there tomorrow. I wish I could do it today. I'm getting ready for it today, so I'm gonna try to go tomorrow or this weekend. So stay tuned for that video, man. We're about to have a winner excited and amped up just like me, because I'm telling you, I know he's been watching and tapping in, and I'm trying to get this thing on the way 100%. So we're trying to wrap up everything with that front fender, with those risers and all that good stuff. So stay tuned for that. But anyway, let me update y'all on this giveaway. Make sure y'all enter to win to the Silver Bullet giveaway, y'all. I'm telling y'all, we are so closer and close to selling out. We got all the powder coated parts right here. We got everything right here looking good, man. I'm telling you, we got the bike, whole front fender, the front fender, everything on there looking good. We're about to go ahead and get the rims on the way. But I'm telling y'all, the time is now. The sooner y'all get in, the faster it's gonna be. So look, I'm gonna give y'all a chance right now for the next like 24. I'm gonna give you the next 48 hours until Friday night, just so we can try to sell out. For everybody that get a red or a blue SLIDN, not HIDN cap, I'm gonna give you 6 spots for each cap that you get instead of the 2 spots. But it's literally from today only. I'm telling you, I'm gonna do it from today, Thursday, to Saturday morning. You're gonna be able, for the next 48 hours, anybody that get a red or a blue SLIDN, not HIDN hat, you're going to get 6 spots for each hat. So get in to win it while you can. If you get a SLIDN, not HIDN patch, that's going to be 1 patch, 1 entry at $25. So get in to win it right now while you can. I'm telling y'all, I'm trying to give y'all a chance. I'm trying to go live and sell out. We got this thing looking good and mean right here. I'm telling you, all you got to do is go on BUILTBYDRE.bigcartel.com and go ahead and get you one of the 3 products. Like I said, a blue or a red SLIDN, not HIDN cap is going to be 6 entries each hat for the next 48 hours. So get in while you can, because I'm telling you, the time is now. We're giving away the truck and the bike for first place. Second place, we're giving away this Roadglide. We're about to go ahead and get the last few pieces by this weekend and get it to the paint. So that way we'll have this thing on the way. Today, I'm about to get this leg off and get that thing up off of there so we can go ahead and get everything on the way. Only thing we need for this bike is a fresh paint set with the wheels. We got the bars. We got to wire those up. Everything else is going to come together. We're going to keep everything chrome so this thing can look good. Something different than what we've been doing with all the blackout on all these other bikes. But that's how we coming, man. I'm telling y'all, I really just want to sell out and get this over with and be on to the next thing. Like I told y'all last weekend, I wanted to be over last weekend, but we got opportunity right now. But it starts with y'all, man. That's why I'm in here up early trying to get to it. It ain't nothing but to do it. But anyway, man, we about to get to it, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, we got a lot to do. I really want to get this bike on the way. This thing been sounding good and mean. I would love to start it right now, but I don't want to wake the neighbors up. It's hella early, but it's good, man. We got these things in the garage about to come together like no other. I'm telling you, the time is now. Enter to win while y'all can, man. We got this thing looking juiced up, looking good. It's crazy how aggressive this bike looked, just with the front fender, with the black legs and the black cans. It really came together. But stay tuned, man. We about to have this thing coming on the way, y'all. Yes, sir, man. We done finally got the legs off of the bike. I cannot believe it. I thought I was gonna have to cut it, but I'm glad I didn't have to cut it. All I did was basically loosen these 3 screws, 2 right here and there was 1 above. I took them out and then expanded the pressure, widened it out. We got it out. So I really want to put this bike to the edge of the garage and clean it up and knock some of this dirt off, because it's a lot. But I got a brand new neck in the house. We about to install them there, clean all this, put that back, wire the bars, take the sliders off of those legs, get those to the powder coat, buy some new tubes from Harley, and have them back on the road sliding. So stay tuned, man. We're about to have this thing coming together, looking good. We just taking it apart piece by piece, trying to make it look like something, just how this bike came together. So that's why we're trying to keep it all going and rolling. But y'all see what's going on, man. We about to get back to it. We done finally got the legs all the way off. We got the bars back on here. Everything back bolted up. I'm gonna wire those bars later this week. We got both of these legs off. I'm gonna get these to the powder coat shop ASAP. So much fluid in there. But yeah, we're gonna take this to the powder coat along with the rest of those parts. But we got everything cleaned up. I'm about to try to get on this thing right here, see if we can spread the legs before we drop it off. Stay tuned for that. Yes, sir. So that's a wrap for today's video, man. I'm telling y'all, we're about to get everything going on the way. I'm trying to get the giveaway over with. That's why I'm trying to give y'all this deal for the next 48 hours. Make sure y'all take advantage of that. Get as many hats as y'all can, because I'm telling you, y'all going to want to win this truck and this bike. Let alone second place is going to look super nice. I know it's not complete now, but I'm telling y'all, stay down for the come up. We in here trying to make it happen and get to it. Like I said, I'm about to go on a ride on this red 2015 right here, just to make sure everything is 100% inside, internal, and external, everything, just so when a winner has the bike, he don't got to worry about nothing. He could just ride and enjoy it. So we're going to take that stress off of his shoulders and put it on me for a minute, just so I can know everything is green. Once we got that fulfillment, this bike is going to be out of here on the back of the truck, getting to Sacramento. So we're trying to have that going the next 24 hours. But like I said, get in to win to the Silver Bullet giveaway, man. Get as many sliding and hiding caps as you can, because I'm telling you, we can be going live within the next 48 hours this Friday, let alone Saturday. So understand that, man. I'm trying to get everything over with as fast as possible. And I want to give a huge shout out to all of y'all supporting your boy Dre. And I appreciate everybody for all the support. And I know some people still haven't got their keychains, but I'm trying to get everything going as fast as possible. But it's only so much I can do. Like I said, I lost a whole package, got a whole nother order placed on the way. So I'm waiting for that to arrive right now with the hats and patches, so you guys can get everything y'all need. So understand that, man. I appreciate the support from everybody from here, there, everywhere, literally. But for real, man, we slide and not hide. And I'll see y'all in a minute, man.